Welcome to UConnect Services, a range of services created to support you in the daily management of your vehicle wherever you are. Do you want to know all the features of your new vehicle and how to use all your UConnect services as soon as you purchase the vehicle? As part of the purchasing process, the dealer will register both your personal and your new vehicle data. Remember to provide your email and mobile phone number for service activation. After submitting your vehicle order, download the Jeep app and create an account using the same email that you gave your dealer to discover all the features and UConnect services of your new vehicle. Enter the personal data, including the password, and set the privacy preferences and start to discover your vehicle feature. To complete the activation process, a few days before the vehicle delivery, an invitation email and a reminder via SMS will be automatically sent to you. On the Jeep app, you have only to accept the terms and conditions, create a security PIN, and set questions and answers. And if you have never created an account, after receiving the email for the UConnect Services activation, you can download the Jeep app and register yourself, or you can create your first account on the Jeep My UConnect website. At the end, you will receive a confirmation email, wait a few minutes, and switch the car engine on. If you have not received the registration link via email, you can also start your registration using the in-vehicle activation feature directly through your vehicle infotainment system by typing your email address there. Otherwise, you can contact the dealer or customer care to get a new activation link. Most of UConnect services are available for a period of 3 or 5 years. Want more? You can buy optional services directly from the website, like the My Alert service to receive alerts and support in case of theft of your vehicle. Or you can subscribe to My Wi-Fi that allows you to convert your vehicle into a hotspot for up to 8 devices and to use Alexa voice service on board.